All right, so here I am trying to divide this dahlia. It's, as you can see, it's got 3 separate stems, so that's actually 3 separate plants. So what I'm going to do is kind of wiggle them apart, and then I'll get 3 separate individual clusters of dahlia tubers with a stem. Okay, so it's pretty tricky. You just have to be kind of patient, and yes, it will rip from the other ones, but that's okay. If I lose one, that's fine. Okay, and there's one. See, it did rip one there, but that's all right. Look how nice big one. I don't have to cut into it or anything. That's good. That's one. And then I've got another one here. So let's see if I can pry these apart. So really what it is just prying it apart, because there is trying to get them out any other way is really difficult and quite confusing, but this way they kind of pull their way apart, and sometimes, yeah, it's a little tricky. Got to move all the soil. Now they've been in storage. You can do this in the fall when you put them away, but then you have to store more, and I'd rather have a few to store as possible. So there we go. There we go. All right. Oh, and here's another one on here. Now we've got some eyes here, so this is also viable. So there's actually more than I thought. So let's try and pry that out. See how they're all tangled together. And yeah, this is not the usual way to divide them, but it works for me, doing this for years. And you get a nice little plant. See there? Oh, one fell. There we go. So here we go. And if you have the other one, please, thank you. So this is it all torn up there, all separated. So yes, and there is some tearing. So you want to go in there, that's anything that's broken and diseased, and cut that off with some pruners, and then pot them up. And you know what would be a good idea too is any place like this where you see exposed flesh, exposed tissue, just dust it with some cinnamon. And it is a nice natural fungicide. You can use sulfur if you want to, but I like cinnamon because it's non-toxic, and if I get it on me, it's no big deal. Okay, so there you go. They'll just pot these up. So the next step is potting these up. All right. Okay. Thank you. Bye.